The Milky Way is cannibalistic. Our galaxy has a history of devouring its smaller neighbors, a process known as galactic cannibalism. Over billions of years, the Milky Way has absorbed several dwarf galaxies, incorporating their stars, gas, and dark matter into its own structure. Evidence of this cosmic feasting can be found in the streams of stars left behind by these collisions. One of the most famous examples is the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, which is currently being torn apart and assimilated into the Milky Way. Its remnants form a looping stream of stars that wrap around the galaxy like a celestial ribbon. These streams serve as a record of the Milky Way's turbulent past, revealing the violent processes that shaped its structure. Galactic cannibalism isn't just a relic of the past, it's an ongoing process. In a few billion years, the Milky Way is expected to collide with the Andromeda galaxy, its nearest large neighbor. This cosmic encounter will drastically reshape both galaxies, creating a new, larger galaxy in the process. While it might sound destructive, galactic cannibalism is a natural part of a galaxy's life cycle. It's how galaxies grow and evolve, adding new material and fueling the formation of stars. By studying these interactions, scientists can better understand the dynamic forces at play in the universe.